All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. We're going to be talking about the trades that I placed this morning based on the analysis approach that I use for the market. Really dissatisfied with the first trade I took. And while I'm not dissatisfied in the fact that I followed my trade plan well, I'm just dissatisfied that it just simply didn't work out. So, with that being said, it's just part of the deal, right? Like, poop happens. It is what it is. So, let me tell you about the first trade I took. I got stopped out. Okay, took a loss. It is what it is. Right? Stuff happens. I can't ultimately go back and change that the market didn't cooperate the way I expected it to. So, let me dial it in because I want you guys to see it, right? I think it's very important that you see, how an approach is made. What you're looking at here is light sweet crude oil. This is the CLM 2024 contract, June 2024 expiration. This is a 5-minute chart. I want you to know I also reference a 3-minute chart, which is the chart I share with my clients. I also encourage them to trade on a somewhat blank screen. This way they can get a very clear picture of the market, and that's ultimately what I do and how I trade. So I came into the market a little bit early this morning, and you could see we had this really kind of nice pullback here. We were making nice lower highs. So what am I expecting, right? I'm expecting that the market's going to draw down from here. So I had an upward trend line. I don't like to trade the break. What I like to trade is the retest, and I got the retest right here. Okay, so I got a high, a lower high upon a retest of an upward trend line. I feel really confident about this trade. So market pulls down, and we did get a strong reversal at a double bottom, and this is where I'm a little disappointed in myself. The double bottom just fulfilled more buying than I thought it was going to. It did, right? Really nice double bottom here, pushed up really, really hard to retest and ultimately fail at that upward trend line. So I'm like, all right, I got lower highs, which I think my thesis tells me the lower highs probably have more merit to it than this double bottom. Okay? Well, I was wrong. Okay? I was wrong. We unfortunately did not have more merit to it, and I got stopped out. I got filled with some price improvement because right away it went back up here towards the rolling VWAP, and that's what I was really kind of hoping for. I'm thinking, all right, we push back to the rolling VWAP. That's where we're going to get that resistance, and we're going to take that next leg down. And I was really just targeting flushing the lows here to cover the lion's share of my position, but it never happened. It never happened. I got stopped out. Is what it is, right? I want you to understand that this is a vital component of being a trader. It didn't throw me off keel. I wasn't upset about it. I wasn't mad. I didn't throw things. I wasn't pissed off. I didn't put a hole in the sheetrock. Nothing. Okay. Happy Monday, right? There's no better way to start your Monday than losing a couple $1,000. It is what it is. It's part of the deal. So, my ability to stay even keel is what allowed me to take my second trade with a great deal of confidence. That's what I did. Market ultimately pushes back up through this high. Right here, above the high at 79.08 is where the highest buying absorption occurred. Where do you think I shorted the market? Right there. This candle closed, sell market, boom. I mean, this thing has still yet to go against me. And my first target was these lows. So just keeping in perspective, I'm short up here. My first target is coming back into these lows. So I got 30 ticks where I start taking profit. Okay, where's my next target? Next target is the VWAP. Okay, I got some stacked pivots down here at 55. Where's my next target? Where the stacked pivots are at 55. Where's my last target? Down here at 40. Hasn't been filled yet. Maybe it will get filled. Maybe it won't. Where's my stop? My stop is currently in the profit, resting here at 78.90 over this last test of this downward trend line. Yes, I started the morning off taking a loss. But my ability to emotionally stay calm and even is what afforded me the opportunity to take the second trade. Second trade comes along. I enter it with a great deal of confidence, and I just follow my plan. I pay myself, I protect myself, I recovered my entire loss, and I'm good. And I'm good. Right? Tomorrow's another day. Am I going to sit here and fight the market all day? No, I'm not. Is that something that you should do? No, I don't think it's a good idea. Right? I think the best idea is to approach the market with a calm, cool, collective manner. Follow your trade plan to a T. If you have hard rules, follow your hard rules. I do. Right? I never take more than 3 trades in a day. If I take 2 losses, I'm done. If I take 2 wins, I'm done. If I take a win or a loss and a win, so be it. Okay? But if I go 2 for 2, whether they're 2 winners or 2 losers, I'm done. I'm done. Listen, I thought this double bottom was just enough to push me back up here to place another lower high. High, lower high, lower high, lower high. I thought I was getting short at the next lower high. Didn't happen. Double bottom here provided enough energy to flush the high, consume whatever liquidity was sitting above there, which you could see in that dark green notch I have on my screen. That tells me exactly where the highest buying absorption occurred. And then the market crapped the bed. So I was wrong. On my first attempt, I screwed up. I thought the high was in. You know, we were getting into this nice wedge pattern. We break the wedge. We come back to retest the wedge. I'm like, oh, this is it. We're going to go, this is it. We're going to dump here. We're going to dump here through these double bottoms into the VWAP. And I was wrong. Listen, you have to own when you're wrong. Was I upset? No, I followed my trade plan. I followed my trade plan. That was it. Poop happens. Life goes on. So the fact of the matter is, whether you have a green day, a red day, or an even day, experience has been acquired whether you made a mistake or not. Whether you had a win or a loss. Whether you're even or you're not. Okay? Each passing day that I trade, I gain experience. Right? It's no different than any professional that practices whatever they do. Doesn't matter if they're an attorney, if they're a surgeon, if they're an athlete. Putting the reps in every day builds experience. Did I want to start my week with a losing trade? Of course not. Last week I came off of a week with not one single loss. But it is what it is. It is what it is. And that's what you have to live with. Taking losses is the rent you will pay to partake in the market. It's life, and it goes on. Okay? This too shall pass. Am I mad? No. Did I get angry? No. Did I go on tilt and start trying to fight the market? No. And that's exactly what matters. I followed my plan. And I encourage each and every one of you to do exactly the same. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Feel free to share it. Leave a comment below. I'd be happy to answer it. And I will see you in the next one. God bless, guys.